y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So y'all, I am in Sam's Club. I need to pick up a couple things that I didn't get from Costco the other day. So today is March 2nd 2025. all right, so I'm about to go over here and get some stuff, and instead of just, you know, going home and putting everything out or whatnot, I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm gonna pick up in here and just bring y'all along. So let's go ahead and get started, because they close at 6, and I think it's about, oh, it's 5:26 because it's Sunday. Like I said, March 2nd 2025. So they close at 6, so I ain't got that much long in here. So let's go ahead and pick up this stuff so we can get out of here, okay? All right, y'all, so first thing, I need to get some flushable wipes. Normally I would get the Members Mark, but I don't see none, and online it said they was out of stock too. So going to just pick up a thing of these flushable wipes. Well, if I can get them, I'm gonna let Oronde get them for our pop a nail. Break a nail, not pop, break one. That's gonna hurt for sure. All right, y'all, so next I want to get some of these bell peppers. So get them out of here. And I think I forgot to show y'all, the flushable wipes was, I think, $13 and something, somewhere along in there. Trying to get something that's good. All those on top don't look so good. You'll pull one from under here, it look like people done picked over them. So let's see, I'll get these. So mixed things of bell peppers, and they are $6.96. all right, next, honey buns. I am going to get 2 packs of these seedless cucumbers, because I have plans for them. I have plans for them. So I'm going to get 2 packs, and they are $3.96 a pack. So I am going to get 2 packs, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm going to get a bag of these Fuji apples, okay? Oh, and this is 6-pound bag of Fuji apples, and they are $6.47. all right, y'all, so I'm gonna get a pack of these tomatoes on the vine, okay, like that, and they are $4.92 for a 3-pound bag, okay? Well, 3-pound container. all right, honey buns, so I am going to get us 2 boxes of this Activia low-fat yogurt, 24 in each pack, and I am going to get 2 of them. Oronde, he can't even hear me. I'll just see if I can grab these. He don't want all the way over there. He can't even hear me. All right. I had called you, but you couldn't hear me. all right, y'all, we went on a sausage hunt. So the guy was over there stocking, so I couldn't get in the cooler, so he just handed them to me. But I wanted to get these sausages, and I think I've been giving y'all the price on everything. These are, I got them right here. These are, I got them on my phone, $13.84 each. So I got 2 of those, and I think I told y'all the price of the yogurts. Yeah, I think I did that. So I think we all caught up now. Let me go ahead and get the rest of these stuff so I can get out these people's stuff. all right, y'all, so I am getting some of these blood oranges. The kids really like the blood oranges, so I'm gonna grab some of them. And they are regular price $6.17 for a 5-pound bag, okay? all right, y'all, so I am getting sandwich meat for the house. I got this rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. Oronde, And then I think I'm going to get they got oven roasted turkey breast, cured black forest ham, uncured uncured hard salami. I'm gonna get some honey roasted turkey breast, and that's $6.98, but this one is $7.48. Oh well, this will be easy for some sandwiches. Oh, and they got a buffalo style, that's even more, but I'm gonna get this for myself. I'll treat myself to the buffalo style one. Yes I will, yes I will. Okay, for Kobe and Monterey 42 slices. This they can have for their sandwiches and stay out of my head. No, I'm just playing, y'all. Yep. Put that back. And the Kobe Jack and Monterey cheddar is $7.94. So that's a lot of cheese though, so it should last. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna grab another one of these just to have. I picked up one at Costco the other day, if y'all watched that video. But I'm in Sam's Club now, so we're gonna get another one. But they're about the same price. I think it was like $5.20 at Costco. It's $5.48 here at Sam's Club, but that is fine. Alright y'all, so I gotta hurry up and get out of here. But I'm looking for the chips. Here for the chips. So I found them. They have the blue box, which is classic potato chips, barbecue, sour cream, cheddar, and sour cream and classic wavy. That is memo marks. And then they have the purple box that is classic potato chips, barbecue, nacho cheese, corn chips, cheese crunch, and cheddar and sour cream. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get one of these because they'll be good with some sandwiches. So let Oronde get one of those. That's a 42 count box for $13.98. Okay, all right y'all, these right here I'm not gonna get, but they do have the Wise brand that's $13.98. It is a 50 count box, whereas these are 42. But I'm looking at the flavors and I know my kids and like, yeah, they don't want certain ones. So these right here is a little bit more easier. All right y'all, so we're gonna get a box of these oatmeal pies as a sweet treat for the house. So they're gonna get those. And I like club crackers, so I think I'm going to get a box of club crackers. Oh, and the oatmeals are $9.22. And the club crackers is $8.98 for 24 stacks. Okay, these are easy for me to just put in a bag or whatnot and bring with me. So yeah, I'm gonna get one of these. Okay y'all, I think I'm gonna get these because this is a good deal. The Belvita snack packs, they are $11.98 for a 36 count. I'm trying to make sure that they ain't got like no energy type nothing, nothing going on with them. Let me see, these are 36. These are animal cookies, and they are $9.98. I may get these because I mean they animal cookies. You really can't go wrong with animal cookies, right? Nope. So let's see. Yeah, this is a good little snack, grab and go. So I'm gonna go try to grab one of these. They done already went down or whatnot. I tell you what, you know, see now when I damn, yeah, the struggles. I'm not trying to break a nail. But I always want to grab from the back. So let's see if I can grab this and make it sit down, because I had forgot about juices. Got it. So I had stopped while they was moving. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get I'm thinking about getting 2 of these. These is really for me and the girls for our iron. They just easy like that to take iron with and have the amount. So these are apple juice and they are $13.48. So I think I'm gonna get 2 cases of that because I don't want to have to come back. So good for vitamin C because we have to, that's what we need to take the iron with. So just get 2 cases of those. All right, y'all, and as a juice just to grab and go for everybody, hey, it is what it is. We like Capri Suns, huh? Or Splash. What is this?
$8.48 for 24.
Let's say refreshers. Is that just
flavored water?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure it's just flavored water. Some of it be having like citrus type stuff in there. See, 0 sugar, 0 cal. I don't electrolyte. Have to be careful with those. All right, y'all. So we went on and grabbed 2 of the Capri Suns. Now we gotta go because it's like they already did the call for us to get ready to go. But we ain't the only one. It's other people. It's like 6:04 or whatnot. So we trying to make our way up there. And it didn't even help that my daggone camera battery went dead. But I had my extra charged up battery in here ready to go. Okay, honey bun, so this is the end of this video. I hope it motivates somebody and inspired somebody to go to your Sam Club, get some of these deals, stock up. That's what these videos is about, showing you my life, showing you what we buy and all that good stuff, giving you ideas. So especially for prepping and lifestyle, everyday lifestyle. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it sure was will, y'all be safe, okay? Love y'all. Bye.